Welcome the our channel. Today we how to register with Arcadia University, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Arcadia University, start by visiting the official Arcadia University website. Navigate to the admissions section on the homepage. Choose the appropriate category based on whether you are an undergraduate, graduate, or transfer student. For undergraduate students, click on the undergraduate admissions link. If you are a graduate student, select the graduate admissions option. Once you are in the correct section, look for the Apply Now button. Complete the online application form with your personal details. Make sure to provide accurate information about your educational background. After filling out the application, review all your entries for any errors. Next, prepare the necessary documents required for your application. This typically includes your high school or college transcripts, letters of recommendation, and a personal statement. If you are an international student, be ready to submit proof of English language proficiency. Once your documents are ready, upload them to the app. Pay attention to the application fee mentioned on the website and ensure it is paid. After submitting your application, monitor your email for any communication from the university. You may receive a confirmation of your application submission shortly. Keep an eye out for additional instructions or requests for further documentation. Once all your materials have been received, the admissions team will begin reviewing your application. Be prepared for potential interviews or additional assessments if requested. After the review process, you will receive your admission decision via email or through your application portal. If you are accepted, follow the instructions provided to confirm your enrollment. This might include paying a deposit and registering for classes. Finally, ensure you complete any additional steps required for new students, like orientation and housing registration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.